up, you guys? Welcome back to a new video. Today, we're going to be playing Subway Surfers. We have my brother here. We saved up enough coins for stuff.
I did
Turn
not.
your sound down, please.
I did not.
Turn your sound all the way down.
I didn't. I
Okay.
do not even have enough for one of these mystery boxes in a
Yeah, you can start running. And, yeah, he's got Tagbot. I've got Tagbot. He also has another skin, which is a girl. I have Tricky.
I had turkey too.
Yeah, he also has another skin in the shop, but I didn't want to waste my money on her because I knew I was gonna do this video. So yeah, let's go into the shop, collect the daily reward, the daily gift coins, maybe. Yep, coins for the video. Okay. Let's do a run really quickly.
I'm just doing my word hunt.
Yep, word hunt.
Because it's probably for coins. And so we can buy mystery boxes together.
Oh man, dang it. I don't know what that was for, if I'm being honest. I don't know, Cameron. Should I save up for the 15 keys Tagbot skin with my keys, dog?
That's what I've been saving up for. That's the space outfit. That's the space outfit. If you guys do.
Yeah, it's R2-D2 basically.
R2-D2, but a different robot.
Yeah. I mean, it's basically R2-D2 though. Like, dang, bro. I made the wrong decision for coins. Waity. I know it does that sometimes in Subway Surfers, dog. But you just gotta deal with it. Okay, word hunt time and wish. You can wish. Nice.
That's the word.
For you too. For you too. Is it the same for everyone?
Yeah.
Dang it, no. No. Dang it, man. No.
The word hunt is complete.
No, I didn't get it.
The word hunt.
Nice.
Well, you keep all the letters that you collect. That's what I really like about the word hunt.
Yeah. I love Subway Surfers. The word hunt was one of the first events in Subway Surfers, if you even count it as an event. Oh yeah, Walmart is currently sponsoring Subway Surfers, so yeah, that's why you're gonna see Walmart stuff everywhere. But yeah.
I love how you need to get stuff for characters.
Yeah.
Get,
That's
like,
legit
items.
cool. Honestly, man. Okay, I think we got enough coins. Unless you don't. I got like 20K. So
I don't.
let's go. Oh no, add.
Okay, 100 coins.
What is up? No. Out.
I can always I can almost buy
Out.
buy two
No
mystery
ads.
boxes.
No ads, please.
I can almost buy
No
two mystery
ads.
boxes.
Okay.
So I'm gonna keep running.
Okay, man. Yeah, you can keep running. Also, some shootout content hopefully being uploaded today. Hopefully. Not gonna know.
Ooh, I just found a mystery box. That should come in handy for coins.
Hey, that's the point of this video, too. To get mystery boxes, dog. Okay, I'm almost done with the word.
Wish is for me. It's for both of us.
Yeah, it's for me, too, dog.
Oh my goodness!
Anyone got some ramen?
I just got some more coins from that mystery box. I'm gonna
Nice.
play. I'm gonna run again.
Here, bro. Dang it, bro. I should have jumped before I just... Yeah, like... Dang, bro. Okay. Well, I do have like 20,000 coins already. But I'll just run one more time to be safe. You're legit kidding me, bro.
With that money,
Like,
you can buy like
It
2.
is so laggy because I'm
With that
recording
money,
this
you can
for
only
y'all.
buy like 4.
20,000.
4 mystery boxes.
But I have 20,000. 2,000 is only 4. I have 20,000, so that's 10 times that. So I can get 40 mystery boxes. And
I just keep running. I'm just running. Sorry that he's sorry that he hasn't been uploading.
yeah, it's just there's a bunch of stuff that's going on.
It's because we probably got coronavirus.
Don't say that for a YouTube video, dog. Okay, maybe YouTube will allow it this one time, but like, still just shush about it. Pandemic, check. Not gonna say the name of the pandemic though. Human suffering, check. Everyone gets more technology time, check. And yeah, should be good to go.
The virus that's going on right now.
Kyrana.
I think we can say Chirona.
Kyrona, yeah. Like, that's the same.
Yeah.
I mean, it's kind of the same, but not really.
What did Daddy just say?
Dad? I don't know.
He just said something.
I honestly don't know, man. It's either me or everything is.
Or lunch is ready.
It might be. Okay, time to open some mystery boxes. Oh, looky here, we got one for ourselves. Okay, now I got over 20,000 monies. And it's time to open up some mystery boxes.
I can only open up 4.
Yeah, he can only open up 4. Oh no, add. Someone help. No! We should really have done this without with Wi-Fi off. This is gonna hurt the bank a lot, but hey, at least it's for YouTube, right?
I'm gonna show mine too.
Okay. Oh, let's open it up at the same time in a second. Okay, man. Let's open it up at the same time. Buy another. 3, 2, 1, go.
Go.
You got coins. I got Jake's spray can. You got 1,000 coins, Lucky. Okay, don't open it yet. Okay, let's do the next one together, okay, man? So don't touch anything. Okay, just buy it. Okay, go. Hey,
I already
Tanny.
got Tricky.
Yeah, but that's for a suit of hers.
Oh.
Yeah, the camo. This is hurting the bank a lot, but let's go! 1,500 coins, man. That just made my day.
I just got 3
man.
hoverboards, and now I can't buy anymore.
Go on a run and get some more, because you only need a little bit more.
I only need 20 more.
I only need 110 more caps for Tricky and camouflage. Hoverboards, Oh, that just gave me an idea. Let me see something real quick. How much is a hoverboard? 199, 50 keys, view, 30, 220,000, okay. 8,000, okay. Zap sideways. Okay, sunset. Oh, that looks nice. Pink trail, man. Okay. Okay, I have starboard because I'm poor.
This is what poor people...
Lumberjack. Okay, I'll take a lumberjack. Okay, yep. Thank you. I'll take that and leave. Okay, now let's unbox some more mystery boxes.
I have enough, but I'm gonna watch one quick ad.
Okay, you can watch a quick ad.
For 500 money.
Yeah, cool.
For more dollars.
Oh no, dang it. I'm just, yeah. Because who honestly wants to do that? Okay. I don't want double coins or nothing. I want to spend all my money. Okay, bro? Hey, let's go! This just loves giving me free money, man.
Start.
It doesn't want me to waste my money, but I'm doing it anyways. Ugh.
I have to watch another ad to go back into the shop.
No. Not an ad. No.
Okay, I can open.
Okay, luckily it's just black. Luckily it's just black. Black
Hi guys, I was
screen.
just gonna open a mystery box.
Yo, we're actually doing a video for my channel right now. And his. I don't know. He doesn't have a channel yet though. Oh, ×4? Okay, nice.
Ooh. Those are
Jake spray can? What are gonna protect you? Did you get hoverboards?
Yeah.
Nice. I'm looking for a bunch of keys, not gonna lie, man. Okay, not what I really wanted, but I'll take it. I mean, I can get you Tanny. You Tanny.
At least I have more space
Coins.
in my camera.
Hold up. Don't you use coins too? Or does that money? Okay, that's money. No, thank you. Who the heck is Spike again? Oh, this is hurting so bad.
He has spiked hair.
Oh, okay. Yeah. The punk. Street punk. Bruh, I can get like 12 trickies right now. Like, bruh. Thank you for not making me spend that much money. Like, bruh. I just got a 13th tricky.
You mean 14th tricky hat?
Yeah, basically. But like, I could get 13 trickies as of right now, man. What does?
Guys, let me do something.
Bro, like, it won't let me spend my money. Hold up, let me check out the prizes after. Yeah, hold on.
Trying to unconnect.
Hold on, bro. Tokens 1 to 2, 45%. Trophies are 1%. Hoverboards 1 to 10, 4%. Head starts 1.7%. Keys 1 are 2%. 5,000 to 10,000 coins are 0.11%. Let's see if we can get it. Honestly, man.
Oh, sorry.
Okay, I was about to say, man.
Sorry, viewers.
Okay. Let's go. Praying. Pray. Cross your fingers, man. Okay. Cross your fingers for the next one, guys. Come on. Okay, go. Crossing fingers.
Let's run again.
Fingers are crossed.
Step by step from Neverland.
Fingers crossed, man.
Fingers crossed that that thing isn't copyrighted. Nathan, when you get 3 copyrighted strikes, what happens?
I don't know, because I'm never going to find out.
Does your whole channel get deleted?
Maybe. Yeah, I think so. I mean, unless you get permission, it's not a copy, and you play a song. To play a song, then it's not copyright striked. So, yeah.
So,
oh my gosh, stop giving me money. I mean, I'll take the over 15,000 one, but like, just stop giving me that money. Just like, I don't want cheap stuff, man. Come on. Come on, fingers crossed, y'all. Oh my goodness! Oh my gosh. I'm about done. Like, I'm about done with my money. My money is about to go bye-bye. Yup, it just gave me my money back, and it wasted my time. Hey, at least give me 1 free coin. Thank you. You actually respect me. Just paid for just $500. I paid 500 coins for 500 coins, man. I paid 500 coins for 500 coins, man.
Well, sometimes you get 800 coins when you buy 500 when you buy those.
I don't want to double nothing, man. Please don't make me double nothing, man. Please don't make me double nothing, man.
0. And once I got 1000.
Man, I'm not a big fan of this, man. Not gonna lie,
Your
man.
bank account is crying.
Yeah, it's just crying.
Crying to
itself
death.
apart. Okay. Whenever I see the coins, man, it just makes me like, oh, is that it? That's not it. Like, it just feels so weird, man.
What are you trying to get? Why is there so much?
I just got a head start thingy. Okay, man. Come on, my luck is on my side right now.
My video ended.
Okay. Let's go, score booster. Okay. We have the second to last one. Okay. Come on, cross your fingers. Okay.
Nathan?
I mean, y'all, they already know my name, so yeah. But, last one. Y'all are seeing this, right? No. No, I'm done. I am literally done, man. I'm done. I'm just done, man. I'm done. I'm done. I'm just done, man.